Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Cryptoland, and today it's the 4th of February, and I'm going to show you some Bitcoin technical analysis. So, pretty much, we're still in this small kind of early uptrend, which could then lead us to a lower high eventually, like over here. We know, like, we could go for the highs again, we could just go straight back down from here. You never know. The things I want to show you in this video is that we have a crucial pivot here, as you can see, of course. Support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, then resistance again. Now looking kind of resistance, unless we retake it again and turn it into support again. So, in my opinion, if we like break and start to close highs here, also above these highs, it's kind of a break of structure. And then I think we could be going for a bit higher to at least like this level, like 40, 45.5, 46k, pretty close to the 2021 bull market support resistance flip. And if we go to weekly chart, you can see it better here. Let me turn that to a red so you can see it better. So it's this one, right? So you can see here, it's not the perfect. You can see like support, resistance, support, resistance flips, support and resistance. Like, it's not the cleanest level, but when just looking at it, it's a decent level. But also like a resistance here and support here, so which then failed to hold, which is more confidence. But it's not like the biggest level. I think, like, if we take the volume profile, I don't remember from where to where it was exactly. Let me just try this. I'm not sure, but I remember the battery high being somewhere here. So yeah, I think that's a decent level. We could be going, like, if we just hold the structure, with high lows, just hold high lows. I think we could be going for the 46k level. We have a crucial support area right here down below us at 40.8 to 40k, pretty much. That's pretty solid support in my opinion. It's just been acting as a great support all the way. I know we lost it here. If we go to a weekly chart, like you can see, we never closed the weekly candle below it, but this weekly candle looks kind of bad. If we take a look just at the weekly candle this week, it's not the most bullish one, but it's a decent one, right? Last week candle like was brutal. When we begin the new week, it was just flush down and then back up. And yeah, down here everybody was like, oh shit, we broke the structure, we're going lower. But no, we didn't close the weekly candle bearish. Monthly, yeah, it's just neutral. It's just damn flat. Like, mm, you know, when candles just, like, when we have an uptrend or downtrend, and after that candles are just like super flat, no much price movement, like price is just reaccumulating again. If especially if it has this huge wicks, it just takes out the liquidity. It takes out the all the leverage out of the game, and it's pretty healthy in long term because all the normies don't get to play the game. But yeah, like, it's just bullish because it's telling us that the price wants to move to the same direction, but it's like uncertain to what to do. And because we have had a previous uptrend and it's not kind of uncertain, we would still have like a couple of months of these just flat candles until like the halving, and after halving we could just pump. Like, I'm just saying, like, that could happen, of course. I'm not Personally, I'm not looking for price to just pump or dump significantly. I just think we'll go sideways or sideways down, sideways up. Just one of those three ones because there's just no new narrative to push the markets higher. Like we had the ETFs already. Like who's going to buy your bags again? Like all the people that wanted to buy Bitcoin were smart enough to understand that yeah, the ETF will like pump your bags. So all the people that actually wanted the ETF to benefit them bought already before the new year. And and yeah, like there's no one new to buy. Like I think Halving could make a impact, not as significant, but like we could get like maybe like 15, 20%, 25% trend up, and we still have kind of this. I have more. These lines are like support levels for me. I'm looking at so pretty much 38K has never been traded as a support, so that will be interesting to see how it holds. Not really that curious about if it holds or not because we have a better support at 34K and a better level at 31.5K. But to be honest, like we have this trend line, right? We like made the first touch in the bear market, then kind of like here, and then before the ETF pumps. If price would just go sideways down, it would come like May here, or like even quicker maybe before April. In April, we could just go back up. But it's not like 100% that this will touch right now. Like, price could just go higher and then later you could touch it. Like, not trying to say it has to touch before the halving. This is something you should take a look at. And yeah, these are just my support resistance levels. Um, I'm just looking to buy more spot. So if we want to go lower on daily, which is pretty good in my opinion because you get more time to buy spot Bitcoin lower. Well, it doesn't really matter like if you buy 42.8 or 41K. Like who cares? It's if you're buying Bitcoin for next couple of years, next decade, like does it really bother you if you bought at 41 or 42K? No, it doesn't. Or if you bought at 38 or 40K, doesn't really matter, right? Just pack your bags, pack your Bitcoins. It's not about the price, it's about the quantity. And yeah, like 38K looking pretty good. But I think like if we lose this low, which is the last low we put in this uptrend, then we could like come to this support again to the 40 to 40.8K. And in my opinion, if we start to close candles for our daily candles at below 41.4, I think that's bearish, and it's less likely that we will pump back inside here and then just go higher. So if we just get a if we just get a you know trend back here and then just like take a little liquidity and quickly move back up, and then like we could then go higher. But if we start to actually close candles below that, no, it's just not that bullish in my opinion anymore. And then like we could start to go back to these lows, and they're not the best support. So yeah, pretty close to 38. Then not sure if 38 will hold because it hasn't been support previously. So yeah, 34, 35 is the next support in my opinion. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's technical analysis video, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.